wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best interactive whiteboards. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, the Luidia ebeam equil is just as suitable for classroom as boardroom use. You can slip an everyday dry erase marker into one of the 4 included sleeves, and everything you write, no matter where you do it, can be streamed directly to a computer. It's compact and easy to take on the go, and includes a multi-unit charging cradle, but it is pricey for its limited functionality. At number 6, though less useful for remote collaboration than many others, the Samsung Flip 2 can make in-person teamwork and presentations more efficient. At the click of a button, you can annotate anything on the display, which can then be saved and distributed via several methods. It offers Bluetooth connectivity and allows for 4 writers simultaneously. However, it doesn't support app installation. Coming in at number 5 on our list. Priced out of the range for most consumer and educational uses, the Microsoft Surface Hub 2 is best utilized in business settings, where users will take advantage of its seamless integration with the company's various productivity applications. It's equipped with an Intel Core i5 processor, a 128GB solid-state drive, and a very responsive touchscreen. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for interactive whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, with an LG IPS LED panel with a 4K resolution and an anti-glare surface, the onescreen T5 produces crisp on-screen images. It's equipped with 2 forward-facing speakers and allows for users to access the Google Play Store to increase its functionality by adding apps. It suffers from negligible input lag and supports remote management. There are 4 sizes to choose from. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Smart Technologies M600 lets you quickly jump from showing a video to displaying graphs and charts to browsing the internet with just a tap or 2. It offers dual touch capabilities, so more than one student can interact with it at the same time. It supports rotate and zoom hand gestures and features edge-to-edge responsiveness. It comes with a 1-year Learning Suite subscription. At number 2, the ipevo IW2 is a 3-piece system that allows you to turn any flat surface into an interactive drawing board. It's designed to be paired with a computer and projector, and everything you do with the stylus is translated into commands and cursor movements. It doesn't require a Wi-Fi connection, and calibration is quick and easy. You can write in multiple colors. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Running on the Android operating system, the Vibe All-in-One is compatible with popular collaboration software like Slack and video conferencing via Zoom and similar programs. It boasts a 10 touchpoint display and allows you to use multiple apps simultaneously. It's equipped with built-in speakers and supports screencasting, and it doesn't require any subscriptions. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for interactive whiteboards, or simply click beneath this video.